Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joan of Art and welcome back to our Ilonggo channel. And for this episode, I am right in front of this tree, the tree of my childhood, because there were lots of trees like this when I was a child, and I would climb up this tree and just pick some of its berries, its fruits. We call it cerisa, cerisa in Ilonggo, or a cherisa because it's like a cherry. And it's so sweet. So it comes in different stages of ripeness, and I'm so glad because you know why it is so rare to the cherisa tree is very common, but it's so rare to find this tree bearing fruits because all the children and everybody who would pass by this tree, they always take the fruit. But since it's lockdown season, ECQ season, nobody's here, nobody's out, or just a few people are out. So I have the chance to have all the fruits all to me. Oh, this is a lucky day. This is a lucky day. It's packed with all the nutrients, vitamins. So this is a lucky day because I can see a lot of fruits right now. So I can just pick all these. That won't. All right. So malingaw again, no? Now, right now I have a friend who just passed by, and she's also glad that found cherisa, cherisa or manzanitas, no? Manzanitas, meaning little apples. That is a childhood favorite to pick some manzanitas from the tree. So here's a friend of mine. What's your name, ma'am?
Mrs. Valenzuela.
Hello, Mrs. Valenzuela. I'm doing a vlog of, the things that we
Sadina.
do during lockdown.
Sadina siya.
um, just for my YouTube channel and to show people what we do during lockdown. So we're still doing a little social distancing here. So this is your sarisa, manzanitas, the little cherries of this tree. So we all love this as remembering our childhood as well. So it's the perfect time today to be picking these cherisas, because there's nobody here. It's lockdown, and usually it's the students who would attack the tree and get everything. So it's kind of a comfort food for us, reminiscent of our childhood. See, mm. So they start out as nice little buds like this, and they blossom into a nice white flower, and they become little green fruits. Where are you? Like this, and become fruits. This is a nice one, pula. Mm. And also this one. So there are really ripe ones that are red, or pula, and sometimes a little bit red orange, and those that are yellowish, so you can still eat these. All right. So look at this. One exciting sport that we used to play as children is to climb up this tree. And this is not a very tall or big tree. And I think this is easy to climb. So let me try. Let me try. Right. Okay. Oops. Eh. Climbing up the tree is called Saka. Saka means to climb. And I am here now on top of the tree. Yay! Saka. Saka sa kahoy. So to climb up the tree. And the act of climbing, panaka. Panaka, it's a noun. The climbing, the act of climbing is panaka. So we're here now because the ones on the lower branches, I think we've all taken them. So now I'm here up the tree. Yay! 50 years old in a few months' time, but it reminds me so much of my childhood. This Datiles tree. So what else do we call this fruit? Um, we call this cherisa. We call it cerisa. Some call it sarisa, and some call it mansanita, and also datiles. And the Tagalogs call it aratiles, but here we call it commonly datiles and cerisa. So those are the Ilonggo words for this tree. And I'm up here right now. Oh, I'm on top of the tree. Feels like being on top of the world. So the next challenge now is how to climb down this tree. Okay, that's also a very difficult challenge. And okay, here I go. Oops. All right, I'm down. Thank you. So here I am. I made it down the tree, meaning panaog or naog. Panaog. So these are the ordinary experiences that are worth sharing to you. The experiences of my childhood. This is Joan of Art, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.